Hi folks, today I'm teaching you guys how to draw a scale of chords, and this scale of chords is to show a distance of 5 degrees. Now in this case, the first thing you are going to do is to draw any quadrant and divide the arc into 18 equal parts. So now, what's a quadrant? A quadrant is 1/4 of the portion of a circle. So I'll need a baseline here. Then I will choose the radius of my circle. So in this case, you don't need to draw the full circle. All you need is the quadrant. So I'll just pick radius of 4 centimeters is okay. So I'll pick a center point and let this be the center point. So picking this as center point, I'll proceed from there. So first of all, I'll first draw a semicircle. Then I will construct a 90 degree on that semicircle. So this is the center here. So constructing a 90 degree on the semicircle. Place the protractor on the line. Let it be directly on top of the line. So here we go. Good. Now we dot the 90 degree and then we'll trace a line from that dot to the center of the circle, of the semicircle. So now this line, it is a line that has cut it into 2 parts. So this is the required quadrant. So let's take the left part. So taking the left part of the quadrant, so I can also tick in it so that you can see it more. Okay, so we have this as the required quadrant. Obviously you can see it. It's basically 1/4 of a circle. So now the next thing to do is to divide it into 18 equal parts. So the easiest way to do this is to just make use of the angle of the protractor. All you need to do is you need to know that the division of this quadrant is also proportional to the angles. So if we divide 90 into 18 equal parts, that would be 5 for each of the parts. So I'll give a distance of 5 degrees. So this is 5, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and then 90. So all we need to do now, we'll join these dots to the center of the what's it called again, of the quadrant. Here we go. Joining each of the dots to the center of the quadrant. This is how it's done. So this is a simple. Now that I've divided it into 18 equal parts, now it is interesting to note that each of these divisions is 5 degrees. So basically the next part is to extend the baseline to the right. So it's already extended to the right, no need of extending it again. Then you construct the scale of chords. So all you need to do is you now you transfer your center to this point, and then you begin to transfer all those divisions horizontally. So basically I'll transfer this fourth division horizontally. That'll be something like this. Then I'll go open to the second. So it's actually a very small radius. That's why I'm having issues. Okay, this one is a bit wider. So this for the second. I'll open a little for the third. So what we're doing here, we are transferring these divisions to the horizontal base of this scale of chords. That will be very necessary in order for this setup to work, so that each of the angles will be measurable. So you can see the procedure. You just open to the top divisions and cut till it gets to the bottom. So you are drawing an arc that is tracing from the top to the bottom. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Good. Good. So you can see that one I just drew exactly cut the center of the arc. So that is the 60 degree. I'm very sure of that because I've been drawing scale of chords for some time, and always that 60 degree always cuts the passes through the center of the quadrant. And then finally, this is the last division. So you can see that it even exceeded the line. So that's this because this is a projection. So now let's call it this will be 10 because this is two divisions of 5, and then the next two divisions make 20, the next two divisions make 30, the next two make 40, the next two make 50, the next two make 60. You can see that this 60 is the one that actually touches the center. 70, then we have 80, then we have 90 degree. So we also transfer the same thing here. This is 10, the next to this is 20, next to this is 30, next to this is 40, next to this is 50, next to this is 60, 70, 80, 90. Now basically this is our scale of chords. So this is how to draw a scale of chords, and next we'll be talking about how to construct an angle using the scale of chords. Now, in order not to waste so much time, let's draw the angle. So assuming we want to draw an angle of 25 degrees using the scale of chords, all we need to do is you draw a line AB. So I won't draw a new base. I'll just call this AB, and this is the center A. Now the next thing, with a radius of R equals to 0 to 60 of the scale of chords, and with a center A, draw an arc to cut the line AB at C. So that 0 to 60 is from here to here. That's what they're trying to say. So it's from this 0 to 60. You can see the divisions. So I'll open my radius to that 0 to 60. It is also the radius of the given circle. So you know that this scale of chords is constructed on a circle. So basically just open your compass to the radius of the circle. Then put it at the center of the circle. That's at this A. Then you cut an arc. So you can see that this also traces the part of the previous arc. Then the next thing is, with a radius of 0 to 25 on the scale of chords, so you draw an arc to cut the previous one with center D, with center C rather. So basically, I'll make use of B here. I'll make use of yes. This is our center C. Let's call this C. So the point where that arc cuts the horizontal base. So put at that horizontal point, then first of all, open your compass from 0 to 25. On this is the original scale of chords. This is the original scale of chords. So this one that goes from 10 to 20, this is the original scale of chords. All I'll do is I'll open from 0 to 25. You can see it. So between 20 and 30, that's 25. So the reason why I'm doing this is that I'm constructing an angle of 25 degrees. So if you are constructing an angle of 65, guess what? You open your compass to 65, which is between 60 and 70. But in this case, we are constructing from 25, so I will reduce it back to 25. So this is between 20 and 30. So you understand now. Then I will now go back to this and put the sharp point at that horizontal cut point, and then cut the previous arc. Then where I cut the previous arc, I will join that cut to the center of this angle, which is A. So I'll join to A. So draw a line through A, through the intersection. So and then this is the angle of 25 degrees. So this is how to construct an angle making use of a scale of chords. Thanks for watching.